Hello guys, it's Adas Dubey and you're watching. Once again, you're most welcome guys. If you're watching this video, then there is one thing for certain that you want to improve your English in speaking terms, isn't it? In this video, I'm going to reveal the name of that application which has really helped me a lot, almost like 100% to improve my English. Yeah guys, 100%. And the name of that application is OpenTalk. हाँ दोस्तों, यही एप्लीकेशन है OpenTalk, जिसकी मदद से मैंने अपने इंग्लिश को ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 100% इम्प्रूव किया है। और हाँ दोस्तों, इससे बेस्ट एप्लीकेशन आपको प्ले स्टोर पे नहीं मिलेगा आपकी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करने के लिए। एंड व्हाट इज द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग अबाउट दिस एप्लीकेशन इज इट्स दैट इट इज़ अ फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। यार दोस्तों, तुम्हें ₹1 भी नहीं चार्ज करने हैं इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए। इट डजेंट मैटर हाउ लॉन्ग यू टेक, दिस एप्लीकेशन इज टोटली फ्री. And if you talk about, and if you think like that, why I am talking about this application, why I am recommending this application to use, so guys, there is a one specific reason for that. On Play Store you can find hundreds and hundreds of applications related to English, related to spoken English. But guys देखो, उसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना दोस्तों, अगर तुम कोई भी पेड वर्जन वाले एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड करते हो तो समथिंग लाइक पेड एप्लीकेशन दे चार्ज समथिंग लाइक 3,000 to 4,000 per month, and it's not possible. Like spoken English is not something like 1 month or 2 month process. It may can take you some long period of time. So guys, ये जब पेड वाली वर्जन तो तुम नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकते हो, क्योंकि देखो 2-4 महीने की तो बात है नहीं कि जो मतलब तुमने पैसे दे दिए और हो गए। तो दोस्तों काफ़ी 1 साल या फिर मतलब कई लंबे समय तक तुम रोज 3-3 हज़ार नहीं दे सकते हो हर महीने। तो गाइस इसलिए पेड वर्जन की तो बात ही छोड़ दो। अभी हम आते हैं अनपेड वर्जन। एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द अदर एप्लीकेशन दोज विच आर अनपेड, सो अबाउट दैम द यूजर्स विच आर ऑन अदर अनपेड एप्लीकेशंस, दे आर नॉट डेडिकेटेड टू इम्प्रूव देयर इंग्लिश। वहाँ पे देखो दोस्तों क्या होता है ना, तुम कॉल करोगे, एक तो मैं एप्लीकेशंस के नाम नहीं बताऊंगा, पर कुछ और भी अनपेड है जो मैंने यूज़ किए हुए हैं। उसमें क्या होता है, तुमको जो यूजर्स मिलेंगे ना, वो बात करना हिंदी में बात करना चालू कर देंगे, या फिर वो तुम्हारा फोन कट कर देंगे कनेक्ट होने के बाद, या फिर वो लड़कियां मतलब वहाँ पे ढूंढने आते हैं। बट गाइज दिस एप्लीकेशन इज द बेस्ट ओवरऑल। एक्चुअली आई हैव बीन द यूजर ऑफ दिस एप्लीकेशन फॉर सो लॉन्ग, एंड हाउ लॉन्ग आई एम गोना रिवील दैट टू when we'll on our screen recorder. What is the best thing about this application? It's free, and all the users, those who are on this application, they are genuinely interested to speak English. They are genuinely interested to improve their English. So guys, it's the best. देखो, and one more thing guys, actually this is not a sponsored video, so don't think like that I am just boasting or blabbering about this application. No guys, ये कोई भी sponsored video नहीं है, तो प्लीज़ ऐसा मत सोचना। ये मैंने खुद बहुत लंबे समय तक यूज़ किया, और मैं उसको तुम्हें प्रूफ भी देने वाला हूँ कि मैंने कितना समय से यूज़ किया है। चलो गाइज, तो सीधा मैं तुम्हें अपनी स्क्रीन पे लेके चलता हूँ। Okay guys, so as you can see that right now we are on our mobile home screen, and I'm going to open the Play Store app. You also have to do the same. It's opening. Okay guys, so as you can see here, I have opened the Play Store app, and now I'm going to search the name of that application, either OpenTalk or BuddyTalk. Yeah guys, you can search it as a both way, OpenTalk or BuddyTalk, and I'm going to search it as OpenTalk. Open and here talk. Okay guys, so the name of that application has been sold by default, so I'm just going to open it. Okay guys, so now you can see that here the option to me is showing like open, but guys if you haven't installed this application, the option in your mobile, it will be shown to you like install. So you have to install this application to open, in order to open this application, and after that you also have to open the application. So I am going to open the application. Here it's opening. So guys, here the very starting interface of our OpenTalk application is something like this, and you can see that here there is a two option. First one is login with Facebook, and the another one is login with mobile. So how to login with Facebook, I'm just going to show you that. Okay guys, so it's loading. Okay guys, so as you can see here the login with Facebook options are something like mobile or email address. You have to fill that, and after that your Facebook password. Then you have to click on the login, then you will be automatically connected to your OpenTalk application. Okay guys, so this was our how to log in with Facebook, and now I'm going to show you how to log in with mobile. So guys, as I told you, I've been the user of this application, so I'm going to log in with the mobile because I have already registered my account with mobile number. Okay guys, so log in with mobile, and here it's very simple guys. You have to just fill your mobile number. Okay guys, so after filling your mobile number, you have to click on the continue, and after clicking on the continue, you will get an OTP guys. Listen guys, I am not here going to get an OTP because I have already registered my mobile number. But guys, if you are registering your mobile number new, then you will get an OTP guys. Okay, so click on the continue. Okay guys, so as you can see here, it's our interface of our OpenTalk application, something like this. OpenTalk is now BuddyTalk, and you have to click on the continue. Oh guys, so we are on the home interface of our OpenTalk application, and guys, as you can see here, there is something like gold coin. So what is that? Let's look on that. Guys, so it is a credit balance, and guys, you can also buy this credit balance, but guys, you don't need to spend your single money on this application, because guys, you are going to get credit balance every day after your first call more than 1 minute. Yeah guys, you are going to get every day this credit balance, like almost 5 credit balance every day, and if you refer, then also you are going to get an credit balance. So you don't need to buy this credit balance. And where we use this credit balance, I'm going to tell you that too. Guys, so here are the some filters. Region, so here as you can see that it's any by default, and Africa, America, India, Middle East, Europe, rest of the world, and here gender also male female. oh यार female यार, देखो दोस्तों, तुम यहाँ पे लड़कियों से भी बात कर सकते हो, but guys how, I'm just going to tell you that too. And here level, guys, so level any, it is default, but more than above you are going to be charged some of your credit balance. Okay guys, so where we use this credit balance? Okay guys, it's very simple. If you just want to talk with any female, then you have to opt this female, and here continue. And here guys, as you can see that you have to spend this your credit balance here for 1 hour, and these are 24 minutes. As you guys see all these things by yourself, but as you can see that I told you that here you can talk with any region, any gender, but you have to spend your credit balance. Okay guys, so here talk angels, you can also talk with the girls from here talk angels by spending your some of your credit balance. Okay guys, daily pics, voice challenge, these are bullshits, we don't have to just focus on that. Okay guys, what is the main thing about this application? It's talk now. Yeah guys, here how can we talk from other users from this application? So it's here guys, talk now, the big button, it is a talk now, and we have to click on that, and here continue. Okay guys, so here as you can see that our call is getting connected, and I have got connected to Rohit Sharma. No Sharma, Rohit Sharma नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ प्रोफाइल पिक है रोहित शर्मा जैसा. तो तुम देख सकते हो यहाँ पे वीडियो कॉल का भी ऑप्शन है, एंड आई गॉट कनेक्टेड टू समथिंग लाइक दिस पर्सन. And here guys, we can also extend the call after 20 minutes, otherwise your call is going to be hung up automatically. Okay guys, so that person hung up my call because I wasn't talking to him. Okay guys, so as you can see here, you can also like this call or unlike this call according to your wish. Just I am going to unlike this call because I didn't talk to that person. Submit. So I showed you the main feature of this application, talk now. And after that we are going to go on this section. This is the talk buddy section. Also, if you are thinking like that, who are these guys? So these are the guys to whom actually I have added as my ad buddy. Okay guys, what is ad buddy? So here after each and every call you are going to get a message of selecting that buddy as your ad buddy. So if you like that person, then you can add that person as an ad buddy, and it will be shown to you like here on this section of talk buddies. And we'll now go to this section, third section, which is our profile section. So here guys, your OpenTalk profile will be in this section, third section. So here you can see that this is my profile, and as I told you, I have been the long user. So here as you can see that 3.8k, I have talked with the 3.8k user and almost 13.4k minutes. Yeah guys, this much of time I have spent on this application, and my followers are 523. I have this credit balance and talking point. So what is the use of this talking point? And guys, as I told you, you don't have to pay on this application, but guys you are going to be paid. हाँ दोस्तों, वो तुम्हें पैसे देंगे बात करने के लिए. देखो मैं दिखाता हूँ कि मैंने कितने अर्न किए. Okay guys, so let's see here. These are my redeems. Okay guys, so here as you can see that rupees 200 Flipkart, rupees 200 Amazon, and again Amazon, and 100 Amazon. So in total I have earned almost 700 rupees from this application. Okay, so here is my voice intro, and here is a refer earn option, and again these are my location and email ID and everything. This is my all the personality box, and here from how many countries I have talked, this will be shown to you here. And these are the notifications. Whatever your activities you have done on this application, it will be shown to you on this section, notification section. Okay guys, so that was it. This is the amazing application guys, and it's a free of cost, and you are going to be paid from this application. So guys, install it right now, and thank you for watching this video.